How startup IPOs are changing the valuation game in India. When a startup start and then they go for IPO, at that moment of the time they are basically changing the valuation game in India. There is a lot of the startup which after going the IPO they have a changed fully changed, and you ever not can think about this how this is happening, like for many startups such as Zomato, such as Nika and Paytm, after having their IPO, the blockbuster IPO of new age tech companies such as Zomato, Nika, so the valuation game has changed as a focus shifted to from earning to growth potential. Now, who would have bought even 1.5 year ago that unicorn like Zomato, Nika, Paytm, Policy Bazaar would raise fund in the range of Rs 5,300 crore to Rs 80,000 crore from the Indian primary market, creating valuation of Rs 46,000 crore is to Rs 1.48 lakh crore. India's tech startups are booming, and investors are also looking forward to investment in these type of the startups. They are also seeing the opportunity to good return on investment on their investment. So that's why there is a lot of the foreign direct investment are coming to our country, and new startup they are believing and having lots of the trust on technology. That's why many of the startup angel investors, seed founder and venture capitals are coming forward to investment, and therefore giving the helpful investment to starting startups so they can grow, they can have a lots of the valuation to having lots of after when they give their seed fund after some equity, and then whenever the company got listed at for first initial public offer, that time they sell their company equity. Otherwise if they are going to be having seeing and looking for long term return, they left out their equity, and then they decide to sell that one later. So yeah, this is the very good thing that now Indian startups are booming, and the unicorn numbers are exponentially increasing every day in India, and this is a great news for every Indians. That's there is a lot of the employment generating day by day, and the peoples are so getting the producer mindset compared to like if everybody think about that Indians community always having the mindset of the consuming everything from the foreign products, and now we are developing our own product with the help of the investment. So it is a great news for everyone to having this startup, this type of the startup which are going to be listing at IPO, and after getting the game of the growth potential of the valuations.